Hello, I'm going to talk about adding and subtracting inequalities, which is what we're going to be doing today. If you remember back from our Explore, whenever we add or subtract, it does not affect the inequality symbol. So what that means is that you are not going to have to flip the inequality symbol when you're solving. So let's look at an example. If I have x plus 3 is less than negative 4, you'd solve it just like you were solving an equation. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to subtract 3 from both sides. So you're going to have x plus 3 minus 3 is less than negative 4 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 would be 0, so I'm going to be left with x on this side is less than, if I keep change, negative 4 plus negative 3 would be a negative 7. So when I go to graph it, say we have 0, negative 1, negative 2, all the way down to negative 7 down here. It would be an open circle, and since x is less than, it's going to be going this way. Now you'll be given graphs on your worksheet, so you won't have to make your own graphs, your own line graphs. Let's try another one. If I have m minus 4 is greater than negative 3. So to get rid of a subtract 4, I need to add 4. So m minus 4 plus 4 is greater than negative 3 plus 4. If I have a minus 4 and plus 4, those are going to cancel out and be left with m on this side is greater than negative 3 plus 4. Different sign subtracts, so it's going to be positive 1. So when I go to graph it, I have 0, 1, negative 1, 2, 3. It would be an open circle at 1, and it's greater than, so it would be this way. All right, number 3. Say we have z plus 4 is greater than or equal to 6. I want you to pause this and try this problem again. Again, z plus 4 is greater than or equal to 6. So pause it now. Once you have it finished, then click play and we'll go through it together. All right, so if we have z plus 4 minus 4 greater than or equal to 6 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is going to be 0. So I'm going to have z is greater than or equal to 2. If you have not graphed it, then pause it again and let's do our graph. So now that you've graphed it, let's go through it together. So we'd have 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So this time it's going to be a closed circle at 2. And since it's greater than, z is greater than, it's going to go this way. So if I plugged in any of these numbers, 3 is greater than or equal to 2. That's true. 4 is greater than or equal to 2. 4 is greater than or equal to 2. Yeah. All right. Thank you for listening.